For our final project, we created an app called Symphony, a location-based music app which also serves as a social network. Why Symphony? It would allow users to quickly upload their songs without going through lots of hassle just to share the content. It's location-based. It will allow locals in the area to discover homegrown talent. The social aspect. This network will focus solely on music and especially the arts. Our original proposal. We offer location-based, a two-mode usage for fan and creator, profile pages, likes, followers, creator collaboration, messaging, ads, and a beautiful app design. However, we did realize while developing this app that we would not be able to accomplish all these goals, but we did get most of the functionality achieved. Songs. We allow the users to upload any kind of audio file from their phone to our database. How? When a song is uploaded, it's stored in a unique path in the database for the user. So when a song is uploaded, we hit the upload button on our floating action menu. When you do this, you'll go to the file manager, and then you'll see it'll look for audio files. We've set it to only look for audio files. You choose your audio file. You give it an artist name and a song title. It will then be uploaded as a document in the database itself, and the song, the MP3 file, will be stored in the storage. And then when it's stored in the storage, it'll generate a download URL that will be stored in the database in the database documents as a field for that particular song. That way, when you read it back in from the database to the app, you'll have a URL to stream to. And how we achieved the streaming was through a third-party player called Exoplayer. Exoplayer is a third-party media player that provides much better streaming for online content. Who can see it? Anyone in the same city will have the song up on their local music feed. Side note, we also plan to have users agree to terms that all uploaded content is original. We do not want there to be any kind of a copyright infringement. Posts. What? Users can post what they are working on for teasers and feedback. We did this in the same way we did our music. We uploaded the document. We uploaded our user post, into the Firebase database, and then is read back as a post object. And anyone who signed as a user can post and comment on other posts. Events. As I said before, we want to have users to be able to find local homegrown talent or events or venues. To do this, we implemented the Foursquare API to display local venues where we can find music and art. Why? We did this because it helps anyone new to the area or music discovery to know what's going on, and where they might find one of the local performing artists, or maybe a good show, like a good musical, a play, or a concert. In closing, lots of our goals were not met, but we are proud of our product. I think, given our time constraints and just our workload of homework from other classes, was probably a major factor as to why it was not met. But we are proud of what we accomplished, and we did learn a lot about the Android lifecycle as well. Bugs, random crashes, UI issues, other bugs prevent it from being a very stable app at the moment. We do plan to work on this in the summer. And development issues, I said before, lack of time and large project scope. And you'll see an example of our sign-in UI. You can use your own Google account for authentication. You see my name and my email, and you see another example from our post section right here. You see a title, and you see a picture. If you have a picture on your Google account, that would not be okay there. It would be a picture of whatever I chose, and you see the body of your post. You see a like feature and a comment feature and a share feature. We did not have time to implement the share feature, but the like and comment section are all working now. A development log, the log of our entire development process. April 4th through the 16th, we were just trying to get the ground rolling at this point. We revised our initial prototypes that we submitted for our proposal. We set up Firebase, add in the Xplayer dependencies, set up Google Authentication, and set up our base activities and fragments. April 18th to 23rd, we added in the user's post functionality and the MP3 file upload functionality. Also, I shouldn't have changed this, but it's not just MP3 files that can be uploaded. It can be also M4A files, and AAC files, and they all can be played through the Xplayer. April 23rd to May 2nd, location storage feature added, song loading from database added, post loading from database added, and Foursquare API implemented. May 2nd through the 8th, photo info loading from Foursquare, Xplayer fully implemented, and the various views were cleaned up. The libraries that we use for this project. Once again, we use Xplayer for our media streaming, Firebase for our storage of our songs and user data, Retrofit 2, Butterknife, which is used for our our view binding. It's much easier to use than just using Find View by ID, as you can see right here. And we use Clan's floating action bar is how we implemented our floating action button. And if you have any other questions, I believe that's it.